The entertainment fraternity is in mourning following the death of musician Tabby Diamond of legendary trio Mighty Diamonds. It was reported that Tabby was among two people shot dead on McKinley Crescent last night. The musician, whose real name is Donald Orlando Shaw, was among a group seated on the roadway when they came under attack about 9:45 p.m. They were rushed to hospital by residents where Shaw and another man were pronounced dead. Tabby Diamond, who was the lead singer of the Mighty Diamonds, is one of Jamaica's most treasured voices, with his career spanning over 50 years. Together with group members Fitzroy Bunny Simpson and Lloyd Judge Ferguson, they formed the Mighty Diamonds, one of the most famous Jamaican vocal groups of the 70s and 80s. E-Prime sends condolences to the family of Tabby Diamond. Now, the Carnival in Jamaica National Stakeholders Committee has announced plans are in place for the Carnival Festival season in 2022. Now, the soca season will kick off on Friday, July 1, culminating with a grand road parade on July 10. Co-chair of the Stakeholders Committee, Kamal Banke, noted that the return of Carnival is a welcomed announcement for the entire entertainment industry, which has suffered a significant economic blow due to the coronavirus pandemic. He added that, quote, Carnival in Jamaica is the biggest entertainment and tourism earner for our country, with an economic impact of over $4 billion Jamaican dollars annually, end quote. Carnival in Jamaica was launched in 2017 and is used as the umbrella brand for all Carnival activities during the Carnival period, making it a national product. A calendar of events will be released in short order for the adjusted 2022 season. Now in 2023, Carnival in Jamaica will return in April. Reggae singer Savannah has severed ties with Protege's Indignation Collective label. According to the Mango singer, her decision to leave was to continue her healing process while taking her career into her own hands. Back in February, she released the single Brand New, which has gained rave reviews. The artist is set to return to the Westmoreland Parish Court on November 23. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.